Hi everyone, hi, good morning or afternoon or evening, wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Today I will continue my commission Diptych. It's been a while that I created the first painting and now I need to make another painting to match. It's quite difficult to do it in such a period of time, so normally it's better to work on diptychs right away, simultaneously. But I really wanted my client to see the color palette and the composition, and if he loved that, well, he's loving this painting. So now it's time for the second one. I'm using only two colors. It's Payne's Gray by Golden and a permanent violet dark. And of course I will be using some white. I do need to challenge that composition a little bit so they're not becoming two mirrored paintings, but a little bit is fine. Let's get started. Of course, I'm wetting the canvas first, and if you want to know what art supplies I use, the brushes, the acrylics, go check out my description to download my art supply list. Very wet start, but that's what I want because I'm using Payne's Gray now, and Payne's Gray is a very dark color, but I need it to look very light for the background. And I do need to match this line up here. This painting will be going on the left of this one. I really want to take my time here. I'm making this brush stroke first because here will be the line that will match this one. So now let's add a little bit more defined brush strokes. Let's leave this brush. Let's continue with another brush. I'm still only working with the Payne's Gray. This is only one color just yet. Go already with a little bit of the permanent violet. Now that gives some life. Okay, so far I like where this is going. Let's make the bottom a bit darker here. Let's mix all these colors. So we definitely need some white in this piece. Now with the white added, you know, it is coming more alive. There's one thing my client really loves is when there are some drips. So I need to create that. A little bit more of the white, some of that permanent. Yeah, more like that. He loves that. He will definitely love this. Only thing is, I don't know if it's matching that one, because the bottom needs a little bit more work, I guess. Let's place them together to see what am I missing here and how it looks together already. Alright, so I need, the line is a little bit too high. Let's see here. I need a line as well. So that's good for me now to work on. Alright, it's coming together. Once this is dry, I do want to do a little bit of touch-ups. So this line is a little bit more crisp. I think this is a great match. I will show you the end result. Here they are in full glory. Of course, I already sent pictures to my client and he's loving it, especially this drip. I received a picture back from him highlighting this drip. I love it, so that's perfect. I think it's such a vibrant, connected piece. They do look alike, but they're definitely different. There's so much movement in these. But my client, he will hang them differently. Let me show you. Like this. So the new one upside down, and it's even connecting on the top there as well. I love this too. He can play around with it however he wants. I signed only on the back, so that will give him the option to change the composition. Would love to hear what composition you'd like best. The hanging leaves like this, or the first one that I showed you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week Saturday.